Hi everyone, do you know our USA shipping rate is actually the cheapest in town? So it's only at $3.99 per 500 grams based on actual weight. And today we'll be showing you how you can use our Ship For Me service to enjoy this very cheap rate. Basically, with Ship For Me service, you can shop directly on the USA website, and then once your item reaches the country's warehouse, you can use ezbuy shipping to get your item from the warehouse to you. Yeah, so now as you can see, I'm on this website. It's American Tourister, which is also part of Samsonite. So on the US website, there's actually a discount going on. So this luggage is $83.99 US. So if I click on checkout, okay, so you can see this is my order summary. So after the discount is being applied and plus the domestic shipping involved, because we are sending it to the USA warehouse, my total cost is actually at $87.58 in US dollars. So here is where I'm supposed to enter the shipping address. So instead of putting your own address, what you have to do is actually put in our USA warehouse address. So all you need to do now is to go back to our website. So once you're at ezbuy, go to my account and if you scroll all the way to Ship For Me at the left bar, you can see a forwarding address. So click on forwarding address, go to USA, and what you have to do is click on activate forwarding service. So just click on this button. So they will ask you to verify your phone number. So all you have to do is just put in your phone number, put in the OTP that you receive on your phone, and you are able to submit your order. So basically what you have to do is take this USA address, like the name, the zip code, the phone number that is listed here, to enter into your order. So now that we have all this information, we go back to your order. I've already filled in all the details of our USA warehouse. And just to check, right, there will be contact information. So this you can actually put your own email address. So that's where you're able to see the tracking number and so on. So in total, if we check our order once again, it's correct. It's $87.58, and we can continue to check out. So now I'm on the payment page, and what you want to do is actually put in your own card details, because that is where we'll be deducting the money from. Once you've submitted your order, do make sure that you check your email, because once the seller dispatches your item, there will be a tracking number. Over here, you can put the product URL, which is the item that you bought from the USA website, the courier company that is delivering your parcel, and the parcel tracking number. So all this information will be in the email that the seller sends to you. So do remember to check your email. Repacking option, you can put a default as yes, and then remarks, you can just put the name of this product. So it's just for your own reference, just so you can track the items that you're buying if you're buying a lot of things. And then you can just click on submit. Now your item is on the way to the USA warehouse, and once it reaches, you will be informed and you can actually submit it to ship. So now our luggage has reached the USA warehouse. What you have to do is actually go into your account, go to ready to ship, and you can submit your order. So once you're done, all you have to do is submit to ship. They will ask you to enter the value of the product that you bought in Sing dollars, and next step is just to arrange a delivery. So whichever is to your convenience. Make sure you take economy air, so you get to enjoy the $3.99 per 500 gram rate. And yeah, that's it, as simple as that. So at this point, if let's say you're ordering other stuff from the USA, what you can do is you can wait for all the orders to reach together and ship them together, so that you can enjoy the free repacking service and ultimately have more savings on your shipping. So after 7 days of shipping, our item is finally here. Let's unbox. This is how the luggage looks like. I love it because it looks super sleek and it's like damn smooth. Just look. And I love the material also, because it's not the typical hard plastic that gets dented easily, and it's also matte, so if it gets scratches, you don't have to worry so much about it. Oh, there's TSA locks as well. So you have a lot of compartments. It's a bit small to travel far, but I think it's perfect for trips like to Bangkok or Malaysia. So yeah, I really love it. We did our research to see exactly which is the cheapest way to buy this luggage. And so I looked for retail, and retail actually is selling this luggage at $230 without any promotion. So if you buy direct from USA with promotion, it's actually only $120 Sing, but that's only for a product itself. So next comes in the shipping. If you actually use our competitor to ship this luggage, you're actually paying about $44.34 because they do charge a base charge as well. However, if you buy from ezbuy, it will only cost you around $31 without any base charge. So that is about 28% shipping savings if you use ezbuy compared to our competitors. And overall, if you compare the cost, ezbuy is around $154 and retail is selling at $230. That's all the cost all in. So that's about like 32% savings on the overall cost. So definitely shopping through ezbuy is the cheapest way to go. So our USA economy air shipping rate is the cheapest in town, and it's only $3.99 per 500 grams based on actual weight. So actually that is much cheaper than our previous rate, which is based on volumetric rate. So for example, for this luggage, you can save easily like $20 just because you're paying from the actual rate. So now you know where you can shop when your favorite USA brands are having a sale or during Black Friday. Do bear in mind also that even though the shipping took about 7 days, we waited a total of around 3 weeks, but that is because the seller took some time to dispatch the item during the domestic shipping process. Okay, so after all this step-by-step guide, I'm sure you guys are really ready to conquer all your USA sales. So start shopping now.